How to fix Pinterest sound problem. If any day you are using Pinterest and you are facing Pinterest sound problem while using the Pinterest application, whenever you are heading to any of the videos in the Pinterest, then it may be quite frustrating to you. But do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to tap on Pinterest for a while. After you tap on Pinterest for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the eye option out there. After you tap on the eye option, you can see an interface like this. This is the interface of the app information. Sometimes you can face the Pinterest sound problem when the notifications are not enabled. So you have to tap on the option of the notification. After you tap on the notification option, you have to check whether the allow notification has been enabled or not. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration because unenabling the allow sound and vibration can also create the sound problem in the Pinterest. And after you enable allow sound and vibration, you need to go back. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is permissions. And you have to check the main thing, that is whether the microphone has been allowed permission or not, because whenever the microphone is not allowed the permission, there may be sound problem in the Pinterest. And if you see where the microphone is allowed the permission, now you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is set as default, and tap on set as default. After tapping on set as default, you need to check whether open supported links has been enabled or not. After seeing whether open supported links has been enabled, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is the storage option, and tap on storage option. After that, you have to see whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to go to the option of clear down the cache and tap on clear down the cache. And this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.